Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do the unboxing of the HDMI cable. So I have purchased this HDMI cable from Apex Communication. So here you can check out the visiting card. Yeah. So here's the address, the contact number, email. So you can visit his shop, which is in Bandra Hill Road, or contact him. So let's do the unboxing of this HDMI cable. As you can see, all details of the HDMI cable is given here. All the features. It's from the MX brand. This is the cable. It is 5 meter long and the MRP price of this is 638 rupees. So let's do the unboxing of this HDMI cable. So let's check it out on our TV monitor. So this is my TV monitor and I'll connect my HDMI cable to this TV from my laptop. We'll open the knot. We'll open this. So I've connected the HDMI cable to my TV monitor, and that too from my laptop. You can see I've connected it. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. That's AK97.